Hey, this is 550 Cool Dude and Odyssey Hazard 44. Here with a updated bike check for both of us. On mine is Eastern Trail Digger 2010, and his is the what's it called? We the People Trust 2011.
Yeah.
So I'll start off with mine first. I got new We the People Mad Max bars. Sorry, gold. I got new. Well, it's not really new. New seat. I got new Eclat blue grips, really nice. I also got a what's it called again? Kink Bold stem gold.
Upside down.
And I put it upside down. Looks beast. Yeah. And I got stickers, Colt shit, and Colt up there. And moving on to his updated bike check.
First off, I got the We the People Mad Max bars in chrome with the Animal Edwin grips in black with the black bar ends that came with it. I got the Eastern stock stem, upside down. You know, who needs a top load when you got it upside down? And then a Cult shit sticker, Spooky Dave, with the salt forks in orange, with the Odyssey K-Light Aiken tire tan wall, with Eclat tripping rim in black, with a Salt Plus hub, and I got some kink pegs and a plastic peg, the G-Sport plug or whatever. And then I got some stickers, Colt and Jibs. You should go to that store, it's a good beast store. And I got the Eclat PC pedals with salt cranks and a Solid Plus sprocket with a green half-link chain and an Animal cush seat and stock pivotal seat post with some random screw that I found because mine broke. And then the We the People Trust 2011 frame and a salt hub in the back with the Eclat tripping rim, cassette rim, with just some spokes, I don't really care. And Aaron Ross tire, 2.35 in the back, and then just another kink peg, you know. And that's my bike.
Remember to comment, rate, subscribe to 550 Cool Dude and Odyssey Hazard 44.